Welcome to Unique Mixers, the mixing experts. Presented here is our laboratory scale double planetary mixer, specifically engineered for the mixing of propellant formulations and other high viscosity energetic materials. The complete machine is manufactured in stainless steel, providing excellent corrosion resistance, ease of cleaning, and long service life for demanding laboratory applications. The mixer is equipped with twin helical planetary blades. During operation, each blade rotates about its own axis, while simultaneously revolving around the mixing bowl, ensuring complete material movement and highly uniform mixing. The mixer head is raised and lowered through a hydraulic lifting system, providing smooth operation and reliable sealing during the mixing process. The mixing bowl is jacketed for indirect heating using a thermic oil circulation system. This enables accurate temperature control, an essential requirement during propellant processing. Quick release couplings are provided on the heating circuit, allowing rapid connection and disconnection whenever the bowl is removed for cleaning or maintenance. The machine is operated through a remote control panel positioned at a safe distance from the mixer. Local push-button stations are also provided for convenient operation during setup and maintenance. The mixer is vacuum rated, allowing connection of a vacuum pump whenever deaeration is required. Vacuum mixing removes entrapped air and improves the quality and consistency of the final product. Designed for research, development, and pilot scale production, this laboratory double planetary mixer combines precise temperature control, efficient mixing, vacuum capability, and safe operation in a compact, robust system. Thank you for watching.